Listen up, independent agents. I'm talking to you. If you are a 1099 agent, you are an independent agent. And listen to me carefully. May of 2026, less than 45 days, my book is coming out. It's called The Top 5 Reasons Why Agents Fail. Now, I've been at this game here for 31 years. I've ran through so many different pitfalls. I signed contracts that I shouldn't have signed. I spent a lot of money, a lot of energy, and tons of stress. And listen to me carefully. If you are a 1099 independent agent and your agency or your organization is giving you quotas, not expectations, but they telling you you can't get this if you don't produce that. Let me explain something to you. In this book right here, I'm breaking everything down. This is the whistleblowing book. And what's going to happen is, as you agents grab this book and read it, you're going to make wiser decisions. You're going to be calling up your upline and your IMOs, and you're going to be telling them, we need to make some changes, because it's in your right to do so, and it's in your contract to do so. But let me explain something to you. There are agencies out there and organizations and companies out there that are putting quotas on 1099 agents. You cannot get your as-earned check, which is rightfully yours, if you don't hit a certain quota. Your as-earned check could be called, I've seen companies call them as-earned checks. They call them pay-throughs. They call them trails. This is the money that you're supposed to get after the advance is paid back, basically. So if you're getting a 6 months advance, then you're supposed to start getting that trail money in the 7th month. It's your money at the end of the day. But if you're a 1099 independent agent and they're telling you in order to get that, you got to produce a certain amount, it's not right. Find out how to leverage yourself in this book. This is the tell-all book. The company is going to be right here. I'm going to provide documentation to you because I am sick and tired of these agencies doing this to people who are trying to make it. Proverbs 13:22 says a wise person leaves an inheritance to their children's children. And some of these companies and agencies are not allowing that to happen. They're pigeonholing you, they got your thumbs on you, and some agents are walking on eggshells, and it's time for a change. Grab this book, click on the link below, get on the waiting list. Pre-sale orders are coming soon. I'm telling you right now, this book right here is going to be a game changer. This is your roadmap, your GPS to make sure that you go back in your contract and highlight things. Before you sign your next contract, I'm teaching you in this book. There's 9 questions in this book right here that you need to know. And if you ask these 9 questions on your next interview, the power of that interview shifted from the IMO to you. I appreciate you. I'm just here to help. 31 years in the industry. I've seen it all. And it's time for you guys to win. You can thank me later. Grab this book, and I'll see you at the top.
This is a must-read book. Get your copy when it drops in May 2026.